Killing time at the moment, waiting for the rain to ease off slightly. I'm going to be changing my jacket. So instead of the thin one, this is nearly identical, except it's about 400 quid extra. I didn't pay for it. It was a present from someone. It's got a very thin mesh lining, but it's got a built-in hood. It's a bit more substantial because it is pounding down outside, and I'm going to be going out in the rain. Anyway, killing time once it eases off a little bit. I've got about 20 minutes to leave, otherwise it's going to be pitch black going through the woods. Sock. I know what you're thinking. It's not just for having a wank. If you get caught short, and I can tell you from experience, I have, in my travels, having a dodgy local meal, and you find your ass exploding, you don't have anything to wipe yourself with, so rather than using a shirt, what you can do, use a sock, and just create a barrier between your ass and your clothing. It'd be a bit weird walking around like you're a frog. Not the French kind. But it keeps the shit from going through your clothing. So it's handy to carry a spare sock, you know. Plus you never know, you might actually want to wank. Or have another spare sock so you can use it as a flannel to have a wash. You don't have to go and use like soap and deodorants and all that kind of crap when you're out. All you need is a little bit of water, cloth, give yourself a little sponge down, and just removing the top surface of smoke, sweat, etc. So yeah, sock. A sock is for life, not just for sperm.